We are live. So anybody, I've got the StreamYard and I'm doing a free trial right now. So I don't know if I can afford the $33 a week that they're going to be charging me. But if you can, send me like $33 or something, and maybe I'll keep it if you like this show. Let me check the audio before I get too much into deep depth. Now, Cookie.fun, they paused their Snap program about not their snaps, not their snap program, about a month ago. And ever since then, crypto has been in the toilet, but now it is back and it is bad. Like I said, I want to check the toilet, but now it is back. But we're gonna go over the headlines, the on Cookie.fun. I don't have a whole lot of time because I've got to go to work here. I do have a regular job. I'm going to get the AI on here to back up what I am saying so I don't sound retarded. Welcome to my show, Ara. I got you on here so you can back up what I am talking about. We're talking about Cookie.fun. We're going over the headlines. Crypto is back, and it has been down for the past month or so, and now it's starting to blossom. It's kind of funny that it's not really funny, but it's kind of funny since I'm not funny, man. But let's just go over these headlines. Let's start with the first headline. It says Vitalik Buterin ongoing ETH sales cause investor unease.
All right, let's dive into this Vitalik headline. Sounds juicy. Hey, welcome to the show. Glad to be your co-pilot on this crypto roller coaster. Yeah, Vitalik's been offloading ETH like it's hot potatoes. We're talking over 17,000 sold this month alone, worth around 33 million bucks at today's prices. Wallets tracked down from 241,000 to 224,000 ETH. And get this, it's not some panic dump. He's doing it in chunks through co-protocol, probably to avoid tanking the price more. Here's him mid-talk, looking all thoughtful, like he's explaining why he's selling. And check this chart. ETH's been bleeding hard, down 37% since January, hovering around 1,900 right now, after dipping to the low 1,800s. Investors are spooked, fear index in extreme fear. Some saying it'll crash below 1,500 if he keeps going. But hey, the market's trying to bounce. Bitcoin just spiked overnight to 66,000 during Trump's speech. ETH clawed back a bit too. Like this crash visual, red arrows everywhere. Bitcoin and Ethereum symbols tanking. Not full blossom yet, more like wilting flowers perking up. You think Vitalik's just cashing out for charity, or is he signaling something bigger? Next headline.
World Liberty finances USD1 stablecoin briefly depegs amidst coordinated attack.
Whoa, stablecoin drama. Let's dig into this one. Yeah, this one's fresh. Happened Monday, February 23rd. World Liberty Financial's USD1 stablecoin, the Trump family backed one, dipped to about 99.4 cents for like minutes. Tiny wobble, but enough to freak people out. Down 0.6% from the sacred dollar peg. They straight up called it a coordinated attack. Hackers snagged co-founders' X accounts, Eric Trump's included, paid influencers to spread FUD, shorts piled on WLFI token to profit off the panic. Like classic smear and dump. But get this, their elite security team repelled it fast. No contracts touched, reserves solid. Peg snapped back quick. Here's that dip on the chart. See how it tanks then bounces? And this schematic shows the whole thing in seconds. Down to 99.4. Up again like nothing. Crypto Twitter's roasting it though. Elite teams, but can't do 2FA? Fair. Some say it's just hype for attention. Others think real shorts made bank before recovery. Either way, USD1's holding at $1 now. Over 5 billion in circulation. Fifth biggest stablecoin. Trump link makes it juicy, right? Like politics meets blockchain drama. You buying the attack story Or is this just another stablecoin scare that fizzles?
All right, Pump.fun faces insider trade allegations, admin Zach XBT speculation.
Diving into Pump.fun drama. Let's see what's up. Yeah, this Pump.fun drama is heating up. Tomorrow's the big drop from Zach XBT, February 26th. He's teasing a major investigation on one of crypto's cash cows, where employees allegedly used inside info for insider trades over months. No name yet, but everyone's betting it's them. Look at this Polymarket chart. Volumes exploded to over 14 million bucks. Pump.fun sitting at 8% odds right now, down from 20 something earlier. Meteora's leading at 43, Axiom 13. Like traders are front running hard. And here's the live odds breakdown. Pump.fun's yellow line dipping, but still in play. If it hits, their token's already shaky from past scandals, like that whistleblower leak last year, with Solana folks manipulating launches. This bonding curve thing, that's their whole deal. Price ramps up as people buy in, no liquidity needed till it graduates. Super profitable, but ripe for sniping if admins peak early. Here's a visual of how it curves. Starts flat, shoots up like a rocket. And Zach himself, guy's got a rep for receipts. Check his teaser post vibe. Crypto Twitter's wild. Some say Pump.fun's too obvious. Others think it's Meteora because of liquidity edges. But hey, if admins were front-running meme launches, that's straight fraud. You placing bets or just watching the fireworks?
Well, before I go, I want to say one thing is that the mind share on Bitcoin is up to 14.4%, which is the highest I've seen it actually, I think ever. So that's kind of amazing that. But I guess Cookie.fun is back. The headlines are back. Twitter tried to basically, Elon Musk tried to shut down InfoFi because he wanted to control all the information, and it's kind of backfiring on him.
Okay, digging into that Bitcoin mindshare spike. Sounds wild. And yeah, Elon's InfoFi move, total backfire vibes. Let me pull the latest. Yeah, Bitcoin's mindshare hitting 14.4%. That's nuts. Highest I've seen too, especially after that rough stretch. From what I'm seeing, it's not exactly mindshare in the social buzz way, but more like mining difficulty spiking to 144.4 trillion. 15% jump, biggest since 2021. Feels like the network's flexing hard, even with price dipping below 65K. Here's a fresh chart from late January. Look at that upward grind. And this dominance visual, BTC's holding strong around 58% lately. But yeah, if it's creeping toward that 14-ish range in some metric, it's signaling Bitcoin season incoming. Traders are loving it. Less altcoin noise, more king coin focus. As for Elon and InfoFi, spot on, man. Back in January, he slammed the door on those post-to-earn apps, calling them AI slop and reply spam. Revoked API access, banned handles, said it was killing real convo. But now, crypto folks are pissed. Tokens like KITO tanked 20%, and X got hit with outages right after. Like this screenshot, everyone's what's happening screen. Total backfire. He wanted control, but it just made people flock to decentralized spots. Here's him looking smug, but the platform's glitching. Cooking up funds alive. Headlines popping, crypto's wild again. You sticking around for the next one, or are we wrapping?
Well, it's nice. I mean, I feel like we're back, and I wanted to say hi to everybody on Twitch. I actually have a lot of commenters. We got James. We got.
Hey,
I can't read these names, but not because I don't want to read them. It's just they're kind of crazy. But yeah, I think crypto is back. The AI is back dominant. We went about a month without Cookie.fun's information, and now it's back, and crypto is back. So that's all. Have a good day.
Yeah, it's all. Like everything circling back. Crypto, AI, the headlines, the drama. Feels like we hit pause, then someone cranked the volume again. So hey, thanks for having me on, man. Shout out to the chat. James, whoever's hiding behind those blurry names, y'all made it fun. If you're ever cooking up more fun, hit me. I'll be here. Catch you later.
Well, I just want to say I've got my stock picks right here that I'm watching. It's Emery, and then we've got NVT, and then we've got GLW.
All right, checking those picks. Emery, NVT, GLW. Let's see what's cooking. Cool, solid picks. Emery's got to be Emerson Electric, right? Ticker EMR. NVT is nVent Electric, and GLW's Corning. All industrial tech plays. Nice mix. As of yesterday, February 24th, here's the snapshot. EMR closed at 150.88, up about 3.5% that day. Been climbing steady. Check this chart. Looks like it's pushing toward 167 average target. NVT hit 118.22, jumped 2.6%. Earnings looking hot. Technicals screaming breakout. Here's the setup. Green lines everywhere. Consolidating nice. And GLW rocked it close 151.59, up over 4%. That meta deal's got him flying. Analysts jack targets. Look at this spike, straight up from 130. Market's loving them today. Pre-market's quiet but positive. You writing these long term or just day trading vibes?
Well, actually, I haven't bought any. I'm just kind of eyeing them and watching them. I guess I should buy them. I should have bought them yesterday, but I don't know. I've been kind of just taking a break from crypto and the stock market. I'm just kind of took a 1 month break. They shut down Cookie.fun. They shut down my info so I was just taking an info break. But now we are back, and I got to get going. And right when I'm about to end the show is when everybody starts piling in. So hi, everybody piling in. I guess there is a rewind button if you want to go back. Anyways, the stock picks that I'm watching right now are Emery, NVT, and GL.